Create a clean heart in me, O God. Create a clean heart in me, O God. A clean heart create for me, oh God, and a steadfast spirit renew within me. Cast me not out from your presence, and your Holy Spirit take not from me. Create a clean heart in me, O God. Give me back the joy of your salvation, and a willing spirit to sustain in me. I will teach transgressors your ways, and sinners shall return to you. Create a clean heart in me, O God, for you are not pleased with sacrifices. Should I offer a holocaust, you would not accept it. My sacrifice, O God, is a contrite spirit, a heart contrite and humble.